I'm treading the water and feel like it's getting deep. Some nights I drown in the weight of the things that I think I need.